Where is the reset button on my Hisense TV located?
Hello viewers. Today we're tackling a common question about Hisense TVs. Where is the reset button located? It's an essential function you may need to use if your TV is acting a little glitchy or if you just want to start fresh. So let's dive into it.
What is the reset function on a TV?
Before we locate the reset button, let's talk briefly about its purpose. The reset function is designed to restore your Hisense TV to its factory settings. This means it erases all your personalized settings such as picture and sound settings, and any channels you've added or removed. Essentially, it's like having a brand new TV right out of the box.
Where is the reset button on my Hisense TV?
Here's the answer you've been waiting for. The reset function on a Hisense TV is usually found within the TV's menu settings. It's typically not a physical button on the TV itself. To access it, 1. Grab your remote and press the menu button. 2. Navigate to the settings or system section. The name may vary depending on your TV model. 3. From here, look for an option called Factory Reset, Reset All or similar.
How do I use the reset function?
Once you've located the reset option, using it is straightforward. 1. Select the reset option you found in the previous section. 2. A confirmation message will usually appear asking if you're sure you want to reset your TV to its factory settings. Remember, all your personal settings will be erased. 3. If you're sure, confirm the action. Your TV should now begin the reset process. Keep in mind that the TV may take a few minutes to reset, and it may restart during this process. This is normal, so don't be alarmed. And there you have it. Now you know how to locate and use the reset function on your Hisense TV. I hope you found this guide useful and straightforward. Remember, resetting is a useful tool for troubleshooting or just getting a fresh start, but it will erase your personal settings, so use it wisely. As always, thanks for watching, and have a great day.